I show you how to quickly and easily prepare apple fritters that have a light and crispy crust. Depending on the variety of apples you choose, your fritters will be sweet or slightly sour, and the apple slice will be firm or tender. Here are the ingredients for 10 fritters. You can find this list and tips on cookingwithmorgan.com. Start by preparing the batter. In a mixing bowl, put 80 grams of rice flour. It will make the fritter light and very crispy. 50 grams of cornstarch. 25 grams of wheat flour. It will give consistency. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar. 1 pinch of salt. Mix. Add 110 milliliters of water. Combine. Also add 1 tablespoon of rum. If the batter is too thick, add another 1 tablespoon of water. Combine until getting a smooth and fairly thick batter. Peel 2 apples. Cut them into slices of about 1.5 cm thick. Remove the heart. Preheat the oil to 170 degrees Celsius. Mix the batter before soaking each apple slice in it. Cover it completely with the batter. Gently put it into the oil. Flip them over from time to time. When they are golden like this, after about 7 minutes, take them out and let them drain. You can dip them in a little sugar. Enjoy them when they are hot and crispy. Bon appétit! The taste and flavor of these apple fritters takes us back to a fun fair. The crust is light and very crispy. The vanilla and rum fragrance are perfect with the apples. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.